Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maintenance of system is very important. Okay. So normally people use a system, but what they will do it, they don't maintain a system properly. They know how to use the system. When they got a issue, even it is a small issue or a big issue, they don't know how to resolve it. So what they will do, they'll take into the technician's hand. The technician only knows only one thing, that is format. It's a common word. Format become a common word. Okay. So what is the exact meaning of format also they don't mind what it is. Format. Format means they'll remove your C drive. They install what are the operating system they have. They will install a OS. They install some dummy antivirus, some applications. After a few days, after 3 months, 6 months, you'll get an issue. Again they will come. They'll format your PC. The same rotation. Why format? Because it's if it is a simple issue or big issue will take time. Simple issue will complete in a 2 minutes. Okay, simple setting. But in both the cases, they need a time, like at least 1 hour they have to spend with your time. Then only will pay, right? So it is a 5 minutes work. If they ask 500 rupees, you don't pay, right? If it is a 1 hour work, maybe it is show some kind of stuff, then automatically you're going to pay. Okay. If it is a big issue like a BS word is serious problem, you got it. Okay. So easiest solution it is format. Okay. So maintenance is important. That too, now we are using Windows 10 and of course Windows 11 is also there in the market, right? So if you know how to basic maintenance, you can use your system for a very long time. Even small issues also, Windows 10 will try to repair it. But you should know how to do it, that I understand. Okay. Just before I start, guys, lot of people do mistakes charging. Now, lot of intelligent people came into market. They're talking about a charging. So they said don't put a continuous charge. So you are using a laptop, desktop direct power connection, but laptop or mobile phone works based on a battery as well as a power connection. Mobile is little different because mobile is actually in our pocket only. Okay, so we need a compulsory battery point, but even at this point also applicable. Okay, small part applicable for mobile phones. For laptop guys, it is continuous charging. People say don't put a continuously charging. Once charging is go down like a 20%, then 10%, okay, then you can put a charge or completely dry your battery, put a charging, your battery will give longer time. Actually, that is wrong concept. I don't know why people are telling like that. I'm worked in electronics. After my diploma, I usually have to work for 6 months in any industry, it's a relevant field. Then I have to write a project report on it. So major of my work is battery charging is more important because the medical equipments has a battery inside. The battery will be failed because of people not putting proper charging in both hospitals and as well as other uh, places, right? Okay, guys, if your charging is very down, okay, your charging is down, so almost like a 10%, 5% like that. Now you put a charging, what happened? It try to gain more current, try to get more current to charge it. So what happened? Battery will get heated. Battery will get overheated. Because of this overheating, the heat is either battery will damage, that is okay. One okay, somewhat okay, battery is damaged, somewhat okay. But not only battery damage, guys, the heat is spreaded to your laptop, this motherboard. It is near to your motherboard only, not separated to your motherboard. It is near to your motherboard. The heat will affect on your motherboard components. There are SMT devices, very simple and sophisticated device it is. The components will be damaged. The soldering on the component will be damaged. Okay, so that's the problem with your low charger. Of course, sometimes it is compulsory, sometimes not. Okay, you are doing continuous work. See, from morning to evening till 6:30, how to work, right? So morning I have a class, afternoon I have a class. So my laptop should be continuously work. So what I do, I will put a continuous charging. Continuously morning came, so I start my laptop. Okay, so maybe in after 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, so I will put a charger. Now continuously I'm delivering lecture for the next almost like 1:30. So compulsory charging is important. Continuously. Okay. And it is high performance I'm using because multiple applications I'm using. More applications you are using, more processing is required. More processing is required. More processing RAM and everything is required. So more power is it will draw. So battery will be drying very faster. In that case, is compulsory continuous charging is important. Some people think if you put a continuous charging, battery reaches 100%. So then you have to remove the charging, not required. Okay, once battery reaches 100% charging, you should remove the charger. Not required, guys. Not required.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning. My name is Shaik. I'm calling from Access Bank.
I don't know. Sorry, guys. Okay. What I'm trying to say. So if 100% is charging is completed, you don't get a overcharging because there is a circuit is there like a once 100% battery charging is completed, so it won't give you overcharging kind of concept is not there. That is whole time, that is RPS time. Now we are using SMPS. Even RPS time also there is a reverse circuit is there. What happened?
Latif.
Okay. Okay. So there is no reverse recharging kind of stuff what happens here. In general, I'm telling. Okay. So no problem. When you are continuously working, put a continuous charging. At least to least, guys. At least to least. The charging is down to 50%. Means it is now 60%. It will go down to the 50%, right? At least do not make it more less than 50%, 40% like that. Don't go for it. 60 to 50%. Put a charging. Put a charging. So your battery will be charged again. So you can work. Okay, do not dry your batteries. So a lot of people complain. So my charger is not working, battery is not working within 2 years. Okay, I changed my battery, I changed my charger, so many things. Problem with that one, of course, manufacturing defects will be there. Okay, generally, but the point is improper maintenance of charge. Okay, that's the first primary thing. Even for a mobile phone also, some people will try nowadays this YouTube and a lot of OTT platforms. People are keep using a mobile phone, of course, no problem. But think like this: batteries fell down less than 20%, and you don't find a charger immediately, it will go to 6%, 4%, 2%, then die. Okay, so you put a charging, it will be overcharging. Okay. That's the point, guys. So battery maintenance is important. Next one is power management, power options. You go to system, there you will find a power options, a battery. Okay, so you can manage your power and sleep, not battery, power and sleep. You can manage when you put a charging, when you put a power connector. So you don't work on your system after 10 minutes, automatically screen will be off and it will never go to sleep mode. From sleep mode to wake up mode, guys, it will require more power again. Okay, people don't shut down. That is another problem. Some people, for them, it is sleep mode is important. For few people, because there are continuously work will be there, so they are going to travel or somewhere they have to. Oh, they need a half an hour. They need a travel. So compulsory they have to put a sleep, so they can get a what are the things they are using last time. They will get it back. So they can use a sleep mode. No problem. If we are at home, okay, I'm working office 6:30 completed. I shut down my PC. Whether I will open night or not, that's a different point. So night time, if I need again, I will open. If I pending any videos are there uploaded, and then I will shut down at night. Okay, compulsory shut down once your work is completed. Shut down. Okay, you are continuously working on same thing, so then you can go for a sleep mode. Accept that one. So don't do these kinds. Okay. So what will happen if you are shut down, guys? The background applications will be closed. The background, the temporary data will be closed. That will be cleaned automatically after you shut down or restart. What are the things you've done? What are your temporary files, your services? What are the applications? It's still running, even you close the application. That will be completely clean off. Okay, so don't put a sleep mode until unless it is necessary. Okay, next, this is another option. If you don't put a charging, so you don't put a charger connection, so you don't touch your system 5 minutes, your screen is off. Why this is important, guys? The screen will take major of your charge. Your battery or a charge, like power it will be take by screen is more compared to rest of your system. Okay, compared to rest of your system. Okay, in if you are in a not connected to your charger for a next 15 minutes. Okay, if you don't connect but next 15 minutes you didn't touch your PC, after 15 minutes it go to sleep mode. These timings you can easily manage from here, or you can go to additional power settings. There you can go to control panel, there we can put it. In my PC, it is not showing multiple options. In general, it will shows balanced, power saver, and high performance. Those things are removed on my PC automatically, maybe because of Windows update. Okay, these things. Okay, so you can put a power saver mode if in case you are light worker. You are a heavy worker, means moderated worker. Balanced mode is better, but put up charging inside. Okay, and also there is an option like if you don't put a charger, automatically will go to power saver mode. Okay, that kind of options you can check it. Let's understand how to manage battery and power and sleep timings. Sleep mode, why sleep mode? Start, shut down, maintenance. No one is responding. Guys, this is an option called a choose what power button do. If you press the power button, what will happen? So generally, if you press the power button, either your system go to sleep mode or it will start studying your PC, right? But while you are working, if any kids are there, so they accidentally, or maybe you accidentally press the power button, okay? If there is any possibilities, then you can change that option. When I press the power button, do nothing. don't respond anything. Okay. What is there earlier? Okay. When I press the power button, shut down if it is plugged in. Like you can go to, if you close the lid, automatically it will go to sleep mode. You can do a lot of options, guys. If you go to check with your control panel and your settings, at least see, don't change any settings, just see what settings are there. So then you will understand how to maintain your PC, how to use your PC in a more efficient way. You can create your own power plan also, like a power server mode, high performance. You can create your own power plan also. This is the first thing I want to tell, power options. Yes, understand? Again, why, guys, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Guys, if you don't respond, I think either my Microsoft Teams application problem or my mic problem, internet problem, any problem can be there. Okay, even if you don't ask question, no problem, but if you understand, not understand, at least somewhat respond. Okay. Okay. Next one I want to tell about is services first. In our PC, lot of services are runs. In our PC, there's a lot of services runs. Okay. Okay. Lot of services are running in our PCs related to operating system, applications, and maybe there is a hardware related services. Some services like here it is, it can be hardware related. Okay, so certain services will start automatically when you log into your PC. When you start your PC, your system is, you started a PC, these services also will run automatically. Certain services will run only if you open the relevant applications, or manually have to start the service. Manually, you have to start the service. Okay, some services never start. And how it is? So first of all, you have to go to either run, go to run services.msc. Okay, from here you can go. Otherwise, you can click on search button if you don't know how to put a run guide. Practice run command. So Windows R, run is Windows R. Services.msc. So you can see service app. You can able to see directly. This also open same window. Yes, these are the services, different services you can see on my screen. Okay, it is a auto time zone updater. It is disabled mode. Certain services are showing automatic, some are showing manual. If you see automatic one, it is running. Manual one either running or not running. Disabled one is not running. Okay, see Bluetooth related services. Okay, Apple mobile device services, that is belongs to application. This is also Apple related services. This is a Brave browser. It is an application. I have a Citrix in my PC, so that's some Citrix related desktop application related one. DHCP client services. If this service is not running, I cannot get a IP address from DHCP server. I can't get a IP address from DHCP server. Same DNS client. DNS client. I open some website. Okay, I open some website. This is a certain website which is stored in some web server. Okay, so I need an IP address of this web server. Okay, I know the name, but I don't know the IP address. Who will give the IP address? DNS server. IP address of a certain names. Okay, the certain servers. Okay, so www.w3schools.com. I want that server IP address. Who will give? DNS server. If this service is not running, I cannot get a IP address of that particular server. Okay. Google Chrome related, see, HP printers related, Hyper-V. It is not there in my PC, but still it is there. Okay. You know, we are getting a update. See, it is my graphics card related services. My Oracle. So where is this Oracle part? Oracle. I installed a Oracle database application for a practicing purpose. So what happened? I made them into manual mode. I make it as a manual mode. Why manual? Okay, so if you make it as a automatic, for example, I put this one in a automatic and I start the service. Okay, service will start, so I can use my Oracle database application. If I put it in automatic, okay, if I put in a manual, so if it is in a manual and I start my service, remember one by one point, guys. Okay, the first one is it is in manual. Actually, I put it in a manual and I start a service and I can use that application. So service will run. I can work with that application. So I can give some, I can create some SQL. Using SQL, I can create some tables, I can query tables. I do all the practice. Once completed, either I will stop the services, or today completed, I shut down my PC. So tomorrow I start my PC, these services won't run automatically because it is in a manual mode. Because it is in a manual mode. If in case, if I change it to automatic mode, when I start my PC, automatically this application runs. This application automatically runs. When I start my PC, this application also runs. Whether I'm using or not, application will runs. Application will runs. Okay. That's the point, guys. Automatic, manual, and disabled. What is a disabled? If I put it in a disable mode, things like this apply. See, either it will be stop or start. Nothing will like it. It never be stop automatically or manually. Also, it won't stop. Okay. I want to manage manually. Keep it in manual. Then you can see start button is appear. So I can start manually. Same goes like different applications, including your Windows updates, Windows installers, Windows updates, Windows time services, Windows updates. See, automatic and running. Okay. Zoom sharing services. What is the use of this Zoom sharing? I am not using Zoom kind of stuff. You can put it in manual also, or you can stop the services. Okay, I stop the services, but it is in a automatic. It means when I next time I start my PC or log out and log in my PC, just log out and log in my PC or restart my PC, this service start again. This service will start again. So what I have to do? Manual, because I'm not using Zoom I'm not using currently. So I don't need this one. So what I'm trying to do is I'll keep it in a manual. So it is in a manual means if in case if I open my Zoom application, then only this will start. If I open my Zoom application, automatically it will start. This service will start automatically. Otherwise, manually I have to start either by opening a related application or a certain triggers. This service will be start. Otherwise, I have to start manually. Next one is disable mode. Disable mode never starts. Even if I've opened relevant application, the Zoom application, if I've opened my PC, it will tell you, so service is not started, unable to start your service, it is in disable mode, go and start your service. Okay, then we have to change it to manual and we have to start manually. I keep it in manual. So why we need to maintain this kind of stuff? Why should we disable certain services? Okay, why should we keep certain services in manual? Why we should maintain it automatic? Guys, already I told certain services are very important for our system and our day-to-day work. It should be start automatically when your system is started. Whenever you log into your PC, automatically these services should start, like DHCP services, DNS services, update related services, automatic mode only. Certain services you will work when you want, like I showed my Oracle kind of stuff, right? This Oracle services, I'm not practicing now, I'm taking class. Maybe afternoon at 2 o'clock, I got some time. Now I want to practice Oracle. I want to practice Oracle. Okay, I want to practice Oracle. Now what happens? I will go to services. I start the services and start practice. My work completed. 3 o'clock again batch is there. Then I will stop the application. I exit from the application. Then I came to the services. I stop the services. What is the use of maintaining? Why can't I put all automatic? So what will happen if all services in automatic? All services will start at system start. Means before you do any work, it will take lot of time to start all your services, right? One by one, you open some application, you open a Google Chrome, it will take time, right? The same way, these applications and services will take time to start. Once it is started, next process. So it will make it your system is slower. Okay, and unnecessary background services it is running, it is occupy your processor and your RAM, your hard disk. So you are not utilizing your resources, but these services are utilizing your resources. Then automatically system becomes slower. We blame on the virus kind of stuff. Okay. So this is small thing about your services. You guys understand anything? Any small information? When I'm telling my battery percent is 36% in this screen. 36%. I will try to give one more screenshot. So again, services.msc, same screen like a Oracle. Okay, you can start this. So I will click here. Okay. This is about your services. Next one is registry. To open a registry, guys, regedit is a command. What is this registry? Registry is a kind of one kind of file it is. Okay. It is registry is a file which contains information about your operating system, hardware, users, user settings, applications, mainly applications. Okay, so that is information in your registry. The registry will control your system. The registry will control your system. Okay, so I will show you regedit, guys. Either you go to run or you go to search. Also, you can open regedit. Regedit is a command, run command to open your registry. Okay, so if you see my Oracle application, last time I showed to the people, this is my Oracle. Oracle is an organization. Oracle contains multiple applications. I installed Oracle database 21C, and also I installed a Oracle VirtualBox. Can you see this is the VirtualBox application? See, this is the VirtualBox application. I installed this application, so that details you can see from here. Installation directory, where it is. This is the where VirtualBox is located, and this is the version, current version of my VirtualBox. Okay, so when I install my any applications, that application information stores in registry. One point. Okay, under my computer, local machines, software. Under softwares, it will shows. If you install anything related to Microsoft, it will be under Microsoft. Okay, two places, directly under software or under Microsoft. Both the side you can able to check it. Okay, organizational related folders also it will be there. And here can you see this is my Oracle database application. Where it is installed? So where is can you see home? This is the location. G drive app Inish product 21C DB home XE. I will show you that application. It is in my Z drive app folder, and this folder product 21C. This is the location it is shown. Okay, so the point is what I'm trying to say, first point is when you install in any application, the application related information means location of application, their version information, okay, uninstallation string, installation directories, that information stored in your registry, including keys related information, means license key related information, not license key related information stores. Okay, so this registry will control your system. So this is your boot related things, hardware related, accounts related, and software related. And what are the other things, guys? This is H class root. Shortcuts are there, no? So whenever you not shortcut, it's an extension. Can you see .txt, .pdf, .docx? If I open .docx, and how my system knows which application it should be open. So like a Windows, Microsoft Word application should be used, and where it is installed, how it will know. Okay, because of registry. I open this .txt file, so my PC will understand what is the extension. First of all, process understand what is the extension .txt. In registry, where is .txt? Okay, where is the .txt? Where is .txt? txt. Where is .txt? Okay, and .txt application notepad.exe. How to open notepad.exe? Where is the location of notepad.exe? Okay, same. This is a class root is information about extensions and applications. The which application, which file, which application it should be open, which shortcut, which application it should be open like that. This is the current user, their applications and settings. Okay. This is a local machine already told all applications you can see from software. You guys understand what it is?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here I've written one scenario here. What is the scenario? The scenario is this is really happened to me. That's why I put this one in my example. Okay. So I try to install Oracle 21C. Actually, that time I got little bit time. So seriously, I want to learn Oracle database. From 2005 onwards, I'm trying to learn at Oracle 21C. Still not completed. It will take very less time, maximum 1 week. Maximum 1 week. You can learn Oracle database commands in a 2 days. Okay, max to max 1 week. Like daily, you are spending 2 hours. Also, you can complete in a less than 1 week. Okay, even 1 week also you can complete by 1 week to 2 weeks. Okay, so that is the point. But still, it's not happening to me. I have a lot of other things. Okay, so sometimes few things you can't get a time. So even I install and try to practice. I practice, but I got a gap. No batches related to it. I'm not teaching. If I teach, then only it is completed. Complete teaching is important. Okay. Okay. I done all comments, but teaching is not completed. Teaching is not started also. Only Oracle. Okay. So what happened? So again, I try to install Oracle 21C Express Edition. So I take Express Edition and it take long time. So it is very slow, long time it is taking and it is failed. I interrupted it, somewhat interrupt happen, it is failed to install. Then what I do? So it is failed to install. Then what I do? I try to install it again. Then again it is saying when I'm trying to install again second time, it is telling it is already installed. Then I try to open, it is not opening. Okay, because it's a installation problem. And when I'm trying to install again, it is telling it is already there in your PC. I thought because of my already installed application files are there, I removed application. I removed all installed application data. I removed from my PC. Then I will try. Then I tried. Again, it is telling it is already installed in your PC. Why? Because of that information in your registry. Information is in a registry. In your registry, Oracle application is there and their registry in the registry already application is installed. This is the location. So what happened? So what I have done, simply go to regedit, go to computer, local machine, software, and search where is the Oracle. Under Oracle, this is the folder. In that folder, my installation information is there. Now it is showing so many lines. That time it is showing only 5 or 6 lines only. Okay, basic lines only. And when I'm trying to install application, it is checking in registry. In registry, it is showing already installed and it is not getting installed, right? So what I have done, I right click on it and I deleted it. Okay, I deleted it and I restart my PC. I restart my PC. Okay, I delete. I find 21 related entries and I delete it and then I restart. Compulsory restart. Okay, this is the location. It is there. Then I tried it again. I tried Oracle 21C. I try to install again. Now it is successful. It is there in my PC now. Okay. Guys, this is like a sometimes you install a trial version. Example, you install a trial version of application. Trial means 10 days, 30 days, 14 days application is there. Now trial completed. Now trial completed. What to do? You uninstall application and try to install again. So we'll think we'll get another 14 days. But you're not getting other 14. It's still showing it is showing trial expire. Now tell me what to do. Simple. Go to registry, read
Okay, sir.
application related entries. Guys, don't do it in your physical machine. If you know how to do it on a virtual machine, how to try at least first virtual machine, then if you are tried at least 4 or 5 times, if you are succeeded, then do it. Don't blame me. Of course, you can take a registry backup, but if you do mistake, it's a big mistake.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
restart your piece. So what will happen? The entries will be removed. The relevant entries will be removed. Now the entries in your registry it is not there. Now you can try to install it. Okay. Of course, I will tell this point if possible again, guys. Remember this point. This is common point. It's not about only registry, guys. If any time if you install, sorry, if you uninstall any application, okay. If you uninstall any application, okay, restart PC or laptop. So what will happen when you after uninstallation, if you restart your PC, the relevant registry entry is also removed. Okay, except for trial or demo versions, guys, trial or demo versions. Okay, except that one. Normally, any applications when you are uninstall application, okay, then restart your PC. The related temporary files, services, the background services, temporary files, the background process related kind of stuff, your registry entries will be removed. Will be removed. That's why it is always after installation of any application, better to restart your PC. Trial versions, demo versions, the application, the person who build application, what they will do it, even you install an application and restart your PC, they'll try to keep these registries into your thing, because olden days now also people do trickies. What trick it is? 14 days trial version. Use it for a 12 days, 13th days. After 13th, at the 13th day, what they will do, they uninstall application, they will reinstall. Again, they will get another 14 days. So to manage this kind of stuff, people are doing it. Of course, this is simple point only. Sometimes it won't work. Sometimes this kind of solution won't work. Okay? But this is a general point I taught on. Okay. This is about your registry, guys. Registers are very important, which controls your PC. Okay.
Okay, sir.
One more point it is malwares, spywares, trojans, malwares, spywares, trojans. One more is there. There is there, spywares, trojans. Yeah, like that. Okay. This kind of categories hook your registry. Is hooked to your registry. For example, you install some application. The application contains a spyware inside. So what happened? This spyware will go to your registry. Okay. Normal antiviruses you cannot find. Okay. Directly it is involved in your process. It control your PCs. Okay. Trojans, malwares. Okay. These are all what happen when you download an application from third party and you install application in your PC, or maybe you download it from torrents. Torrents are an unofficial resource, right? So you take an application or you download a game. So it contains inside these trojans or malwares or spywares kind of stuff. When you install these applications, automatically it will hook to your registry. So what happened? From registry, it will control your PC. Okay. Okay. From registry, controls your PC. What to do, guys? Use a anti-malware software. Like antivirus software it is kind of antivirus software only, and scan your registry. So one of the malware antivirus it is a Malwarebytes. It is a both free and as well as a paid version is also there. Free version is there, paid version is there. So you can try paid version also. Okay. Paid version is very costly, guys. Sometimes maybe you feel you got some malwares or spywares kind of stuff. Download a Malwarebytes application. Okay. Download Malwarebytes application. Okay. This is a Malwarebytes application. It's a free download. Go to free download. The free download will give you minimum support like a antivirus support. In that one, go to registry. Okay, so I can show you, it is in my PC. Okay, but I need a older one. Okay, this is the dashboard, but when you scan it, custom scan is there. So these are old pictures. Okay, you will find a scan button is there. Now there in that one you can go to custom scan. This is the scan. Go to when you click on this scan, don't click on scan. Go to this button, then go to custom scan. Okay, so this is the custom scan, guys. In this one, remove everything, put only scan, registry, and memory. Who's that sound? Okay, go to configure custom scan. So unselect all these things, select only scan, registry, and startup items. When you do scanning, guys, it will find what is happened to your piece. Okay, so you feel your system is very slow. Are you try to install any application? It is not able to install. You try to install any application, it is showing a installation failure. You are unable to install applications. Okay, like this is the registries will try to the threats are there. Okay, so these are all yellowed viruses. You yellow the virus kind of stuff. That's why it is there in your registry. Okay, so this is one of the good thing. Okay, but problem is the price is too much per month. $35 something like you have to pay. Instead of that one, you can use $3. Sorry, per month $3.75 monthly. So yearly, annually bill is around a 45. Okay, like a 1 USD. But again, dollar exchange is also there. No, today 81. I never seen this much price. Okay, so it's around 45. Yearly 3,600 means around 4,000. It is a cost. It's not like that. It is like you can buy from Amazon or Flipkart. Maybe it will come down lesser. There is a packages. This is the package. Cost is not given. So you buy, you will get a support. And mobile phone support so one package, 5 solutions kind of stuff is also there. Okay, so you can try it. So that is enough. Okay. Otherwise, of course, one thing is good in this one, guys. It don't disable your Windows Defender. Okay, you have a Malwarebytes. If you are using any antivirus, it disables your Microsoft antivirus. That Windows Defender will be disabled. But this application never disable your kind of stuff. Okay. Okay, it's a good protection for a browser support. It won't allow to access certain websites also. Okay, this is enough of points here. This is the basic registry, how it is look like. Okay, about a registry. Next, services we discuss. This is a system slow kind of stuff, startups related. Okay, so here, if your system is slow, then what to do? Guys, are you okay up to now?
Yes.
So I
Yes,
will
sir.
tell this point, then we'll take small break.
Yes, sir.
To improve your system speed. So this is a one of the maintenance guys. Lot of people will buy lot of different kind of applications to clean up their PCs, PC maintenance, RAM free, all bakwas things they will buy, unnecessary money guys. You know, when I use all time the mobile phone, smart mobile phone kind of stuff, less RAM, right? That time 2 GB RAM kind of stuff. So the mobile is always freezing. I thought better to install some RAM-free kind of softwares. You know, the RAM-free software occupying more space than a remaining applications. I want to free my RAM, so I use some application. The application actually taking more space, more RAM utilization than remaining applications. Okay, that's the problem.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so
yeah.
if you know how to maintain your system or your system is running slow or startup is slow, few things you have to compulsory maintain. Deleting unnecessary data in a C drive because your Windows operating system OS will be stored in generally C drive only. In my C drive, I have a lot of data is there. Of course, I'm not doing this one. Today is a good thing. It's showing in a blue color. Actually, yesterday I deleted my old video files. Means every day the records are there now, video records. These records are there now. Have to download it first. Have to download it and then have to upload it to YouTube. Okay, you don't directly go to YouTube, right? So what happened? The downloaded videos in the my download folder. So what I have to do? I have to delete those kind of stuff. Okay, and so make it more free space. Even it is not a free space, guys. 21 GB, not a free space because of I have a 218 GB total days, but I am getting only 21 GB free space. Okay, so I should at least have a 50 to 60 GB free space. At least 100 GB minimum. Directly say 100 GB is required, but still it is taking more time. You know, people keep their pictures, music files, downloads, documents in their PCs. Once the necessary completed, so see there's some recorded video, so it is still there. It is around a 340, 364 MB. Okay, it is better delete it or maybe transfer into your external hard disk. If it is important, transfer into external point. See, this is a, chart logs. That time I use go to meeting app, so that's that the logs are created here. So unnecessary data, so keep better to delete, including your desktop. Lot of data in my desktop, so better to delete from the one also. Clean up your any data is there or transfer the data. And if it is not required, delete it. If it is required, put it in other drives or external hard disk. Buy a 2 terabyte of external hard disk, put C drive, create one folder, C drive data, put all your C drive data into that one. Separately if you want to maintain it. So make it more free space for your C drive. That will make free running. Why? Because of there is a page file system is required more disk space. Like it is a virtual memory. Okay, so in your system you have a physical RAM and there is a virtual RAM is also there. That is a virtual memory, virtual RAM or a swap memory, page file system it is. So it is need a space in your hard disk. So what you are doing, you keep all the files into your C drive. C drive is full. You are not getting more space for a virtual project. System is full with lag. Next one is disk cleanup. What is this disk cleanup? I will show. This is a C drive, guys. We are naturally do. We'll go to run percentage temp percentage means temp. Okay, so percentage temp percentage or a temp or maybe prefetches. You'll go to one by one. We'll clean it. Not required, guys. Simply go to C drive. Go to the properties of C drive. There you will find this disk cleanup. Okay. I'll crop it because you know already what is this. So make it is smaller, it is better. So can you see this is a disk cleanup? Okay. If you go to disk cleanup, where it is? Okay. It will try to delete all your files. Click on disk cleanup. It will scan in your C drive what are the downloaded programs or prefetches, thumbnails. See, all these things will be there, including recycler bin cleanup is also there. It is look like 274 MB. Guys, if you click this one, system files means recently you got updated. The updated means you downloaded a updated files. So system will download some updated files, then it will install, right? So if you click on a cleanup system files, again it will scanning. So any recent drivers update, operating system update, application update, the downloaded files are there. It will try to find that downloaded files. Okay. Can you see how much difference it is? I have a 4.35 GB, not MB, 4.35 GB. My updates are there in my PC. It clean up automatically or you can clean it manually. So if you don't do it also, so every time you shut down your PC, it will be clean up automatically. These updates will stay for 10 days of last update. Okay, yesterday it is updated, so or maybe today it is updated. Next 10 days till these files will be there in the PC. Automatically it will be clean up. Or if you want to clean up manually, also you can clean up. Okay, see, totally 4.30 4.60 GB. Even CC cleaner, I'm using CC cleaner, but even I cannot remove this 4.35 GB. I can remove remaining thing, but that much I cannot do it. So it is simple. You have your PC, then you can able to clean up your PC. The one of the thing is, I said it, disk cleanup. Okay. The next one is disk defragmentation and error checking. I'll show you those two options, not elaborated, just normally I will show. Same thing, C drive, go to the properties, go to tools, error checking, optimization of disk drives.
Sir, may I ask one question?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, like how do anyone find the operating system setting in their phone? Like I'm not able to connect my WhatsApp to my laptop. So I tried to take help from the WhatsApp. Then they send me the procedure in WhatsApp chat that uh, like authentication is not in our hand. For authentication purpose, just contact the operating system of your phone or device. So I'm not able to find in my in the setting of my phone that where is the operating system so that I can enable it, because
What is
I'm
your mobile? What is your laptop?
so
Android
laptop.
mobile?
Yeah, mobile is Android one, and laptop is HP Windows 10 i3 or 1 TB 4 GB.
Okay, okay, that's okay. So you are unable to access your WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay. So
uh,
there's two ways. One is PC application is there. Another is a web base.
yeah,
So this is a web based kind of stuff. It will
yeah,
show some QR code
yeah,
from your mobile phone. There is
yeah.
a setting. So I will see my mobile and I will tell you.
Yeah. No, no, sir. Actually, I used to connect with WhatsApp web only. Like I open
Okay.
the WhatsApp web and then try to scan with my phone. But the camera is opening, but it is not connecting after scanning. Like I go to my phone and then a linked device and then link a device and then scan the code.
Very
But
good. Yeah.
code is not scanning. That is a problem.
Maybe that is your mobile phone problem.
Operating system. Yeah. Actually, in chat they discussed that it's your mobile phone operating system problem. They are not allowing us to authenticate WhatsApp. So I'm not able to find where is the operating system of my phone. And they said like there is some antivirus in your phone that is not
No,
allowing us.
nothing. Just somewhere there is some small mistake. I don't know. But you can get a, when you open your WhatsApp, there is a
Yeah.
QR code. So you have to scan your QR code. Then it will be linked and try to make it both are in the same network. In general, not required now. Earlier it is required. Now it is not required. But still try to make it both are in the same Wi-Fi network kind of stuff.
Yeah, actually, I'm using the mobile data only, so network is not a problem. And I just try to connect. I mean, camera is opening, code is opening, but it is not connecting. So that's why I late today. I was late as well. So I just sent the link in my email, and then from email I joined the meeting. So I'm from now, apart from listening, I'm trying my best to find the operating system setting or or that antivirus which is not allowing us to connect. It's a big issue actually. Without WhatsApp, I don't think today's world
Yeah, yeah.
they,
I get it.
yeah.
No, no, we have to check it. Okay. You can try. Otherwise, like some YouTube videos are there now.
Yeah, sir, sir. I'm sorry to disturb and really thank you. You are nice, very, very. I mean, today I like so many things you have, amazing things you have told us. Like really nice, really, really nice.
Okay. So, guys, another two way of points. Error checking and optimizing this performance. What is these two things? Error checking is check your file system errors. Your already C drive is running. Okay. Your disk drive is running, whether it is C drive or any drive. Okay. So it can be a problem, right? Here it is this. Go to tools, error checking. What is this error checking? It checks your file for a file system errors. For a file system errors. So there is a command for that one, FSCK, file system checker, and check disk, CHK, check disk, and FSCK. These commands are used to check the file system errors on the drive. Sometimes while you're reading files, writing files, because of certain viruses, though maybe the file system is damaged, that's why you cannot able to read the data from your drive. So that will be managed here. That will be errors will be repaired from here. Okay, that is a error checking. Next one is defragmentation. optimization and defragmentation. What is this defragmentation? Another one is, guys, in your days, you kept a data and you kept a data and you kept a data, right? Sometimes you read data, sometimes you update a data, sometimes you delete a data, and sometimes you will put a data, right? You are keep using your disk, right? You what is data is there, you read it, you write it, you change it, you delete it, you put the another data. So data will be arranged in the hard disk in normally in a proper order. Proper order. Think like this. You know what board is there, no? Your clothes. What board is there? Mom very cleanly put all the things. Okay, your clothes like a pant, shirt, all kind of dresses based on a category wise. Okay, arrangement is very good. Now you are able to access, right? So full day means the week, full wash clothing means washing completed, iron completed, arrangement is done very neatly. Then you came into market. You came to house, open the whiteboard, and try to pull one pant, one shirt, or like that. After 2 3 days, what happened? Even in, there is a lot of space in the whiteboard, but still you can't put any thing inside. Why? Because of the arrangement got disturbed. Unnecessary gaps created, right? Similarly, in the hard disk, data is read and write, changes, deletes, something modifications. The arrangement create certain gaps that we call it as a fragments. Data fragments will be created. Fragment. What is a fragment piece? Fragments are created. What is this will do? This will do defragmentation. In generally in my PC, it's a defragmentation automatically happens in a weekly basis. Frequency weekly basis. Automatically it will check for a fragments are created. Very simple. Go to which drive you want it. Analyze. First analyze the any fragments are in my drive. Manually if you are doing. In general, it is automatic settings are there, change settings, daily, weekly, you can able to automatically scan. When we use olden days like a Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, still old, much older, like means 97, 98, 2000, we have to do manually defragmentation. Why? Because of data is not means there is a fragments are there. Okay, so once you do defragmentation, what happened? The data will be arranged again properly without having fragments. Means piece of missing data is in there. So data will be arranged properly, and you will get a more space. It improve disk performance. Altogether, guys, three options I told. First one is disk cleanup. So it clean up your background data kind of stuff, your temporary data, thumbnails, all these kind of stuff. Data will be. Next one is error checking. Error checking will check your file system errors on your drive. So if errors are there or errors are cleared, so then it improves your disk performance. Next one is disk defragmentation. What is this fragmentation? Removing fragments using a defragmentation, so your disk performance improves. Disk is working good, also your system will working better. Okay, 1% of fragment is there. If you click on optimize, automatically the fragments will be cleared. In Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, you can't see much enjoyment in the disk defragmentation. If you go to Windows XP or 2003 server, so you can see this one. Windows XP defragmentation. Okay, the real enjoyment is there. See this. because of, you can see the data before defragmentation. This is a before defragmentation. There's the fragments. You can see data gaps. What is white color? Free space. See, this is the data is there. This is the data, but this is a free space. See, this much gap is there. Contiguous files, fragmented files. Somewhere you can see red color inside. This is unmoved file. These things cannot be moved. Once you do, this is analysis, this is defragmentation button. You click a defragmentation, data, the fragments will be removed, and after defragmentation, data will be arranging. See this? How many fragments? The red color represent fragments. Okay, now it is arranged properly. It is still going on. Pause stop means still going on. After defragmentation, you can see data is arranged properly. Okay. So that is another improve the disk performance. The remaining is normal one, guys. It is an uninstallation of applications kind of stuff. Okay. So you may have seen these things also recently. So all these options. So try it. Okay. Normally Windows 10 all are scheduled based, means automatically it will happen in your PC. Okay. Next, uninstall application, guys. You know, in my PC, even I don't use lot of applications, still it is running in my PC. Even if I don't open it because of background services or default startups, it is running in my PC. Even I don't use. Okay. So what is happened with these applications when running? It occupies your CPU, memory, base. If in case it is network based, on network and your CPU. Okay. Unnecessary, these devices occupying your disk space. Okay, unnecessary, the applications are occupying your disk space. Unnecessarily, it is running in your PC in case your resources like CPU, memory, dash, network also consumes. So what is the better way? Any unnecessary applications are there, better to uninstall the applications. To where to go to uninstall applications? You can easily go to use appwiz.cpl. You can directly, it will take you to control panel, programs and features. This is direct applications. Okay. Or otherwise, you can go to search control. So then you will go to control panel. From there also directly you can go to programs and features. Go to programs and features. Here it is your applications. Any application you find you are not using, just click on that application and try to uninstall it. It is occupied space 1.22. Okay, best example I will tell guys, that is my games. So I will show you the highly occupied space. Oracle 21C Express Edition. It is 4.36 GB occupied. My VMware workstation, that is very important. I should not delete it. Okay, that is important. Even it is taking more time. This is a game. This is a small game. It is a Delta X or Extreme. So many days back a game it is. Okay, it is 761 GB. Yeah, some games it is not showing a space, but it will occupy more space. It is a far cry. It occupies a lot of space, at least 20 GB like that. Okay, it will occupy less space. Another few are there, so it's not showing on my. Otherwise, I have to search directly. Okay. Some are not showing a space, but I have a Far Cry 1, Far Cry 2, like that. Okay. So, better uninstall any heavy application if you are not using. If you are using, that is good. If you are not using, better to uninstall it. Second one is issue. I will tell later. Okay, that's the point. Okay. This is for a recent updates. You receive any recent updates. If it is causing any problem, this is the place to uninstall the recent updates. But not necessary always. But uninstall application point only. I will tell. I open and I close. I'll show you the option directly. So, which is the most unrequired application is this one. Application Apple related, because I'm not using any Apple kind of stuff here. This is also I'm not using. This is may not be required. So something like this, and put it. Click on uninstall button. Okay, so you have to go to control panel, programs and features, then select an application and click on uninstall. Just for knowing, like there is an option. How to install an application, how to uninstall an application. So this kind of stuff easily it will cover. Okay, disable or to keep a manual services. You already know. So how to go to services, right? Services.msc and change service into manual. So this is changing service into manual kind of stuff. So I'm not taking that screenshot. Okay, change the service into either disable or manual any unnecessary services running. Already given Oracle example already. Okay, disable startups. This is very important, guys. Why my system is very slow? If you see why I told uninstall unnecessary applications, stop the services kind of stuff. When your system is started, the startups will start automatically. Startups are nothing but an applications. These applications will start automatically when you log into your PC. Means you start your PC, then you log into your PC automatically. These applications start running. You can see this is a WhatsApp related. It is disabled mode. If in case if this application is enabled, so what will happen when I start my PC? WhatsApp will start automatically. Okay, I will disable it without forgetting. So enabled means these applications will start automatically. Somewhat I think these are necessary, so I keep it in enabled. Remaining all I disabled. Free download manager. Microsoft Teams also I disabled. Earlier it is enabled, but Microsoft Teams got some problem. It taking lot of time. Then normal opening startup it is taking time. Last week before last week I got this problem, so I disabled it. Actually, I keep Microsoft Teams always enabled mode because when I come to office, then immediately I start my PC and I go for a TR coffee. Then for 5-10 minutes, meanwhile Microsoft Teams will start and then it will log in automatically. If any kind of problem is there, then I will try. Any login issues are there and joining I will do later. Okay, but now I'm not doing like that. So simply I kept in disable mode. So I have to come to office. I open laptop, wait, then I open my Microsoft Teams, then I have to join. So it will take another 15 minutes, total 15-20 minutes procedure it is. Okay. So it is CC cleaner, WebEx meetings. Currently, I'm not attending any WebEx meeting. Why it should start immediately? Okay. iCloud service is not at all required because I don't have any Apple mobile phone currently. Okay. Snagit not at using. So unnecessary applications better to uninstall it. If required, you can install it. Next, unnecessary startups better to disable it. Okay, this is the very important for service. Otherwise, what happen, guys? These applications will run at startup. It occupy your resources. So your performance of your system will be goes down. Disable startup. Close applications if you are not using now. Is any application I'm using? Yeah, this is running, so better to close like that. Okay. Of course, it is a small application, but still, guys, applications unnecessary. My office teams also will ask, so why can't you open Outlook? Always open Outlook. But it will occupy some space. Okay. It slow down my PC now. Okay. Close unnecessary tabs. See, it is. I'm not doing anything. Better to close the tabs. Better to close the tabs. Okay. Close the tabs if you are not using. Close the applications if you are currently not using. Okay. See, it is here also one extra tab is open. Okay. Like that. Better to close application if you are not using currently. Close the tabs in your browser if you are not running any tab kind of stuff. Do not use more than one antivirus. That's a common thing I am telling to everyone, guys. Some people think they need more security, so they have already one antivirus. They will install another antivirus. Already one antivirus is a McAfee is there already. What they will do, they will install another antivirus. So what is the function of antivirus is scan every process. You open an application, you open a document, okay, so you open a website, it will scan every process. Even you move the mouse, it is a process. The every process it will scan. Any miscellaneous kind of stuff is there, it try to stop it. Now what happened here, if you are using more than two antiviruses, one antivirus will slow down your PC. If you are using two antiviruses, what happened, these two antiviruses will scan each other, so you don't get chance to you, like you married to two people, then like two wives are there, they are always fight each other, then what will happen, you don't have a chance to do talk. Okay, so like you are entering into the field, like two people are two of your friends are fighting each other, and you want to try to stop them, or maybe you want to do your work. The work is not in progress, right? You are going on road, someone is fighting, two policemen is fighting each other, and they stop the traffic. Same thing for your system, guys. So antivirus is a very important, but if you use more than one antiviruses, in case both are not compatible, both are fight each other, you cannot do anything with your system. System is become drastically slow. Okay, so better to maintain one single antiviruses, guys. If in case if you are using more than one antiviruses, how to install that antivirus also I will tell in the next part. In a safe mode also I will tell that one. Okay, so that point. So now, so I will take attendance, and I will, now it is 12:25. Now Harlan, that is a slow is also now Harlan, because whatever you learn you should understand. How many things you learn, that is secondary. What you learn, that is you should understand. So once our break completed, guys, I will tell about safe mode, system restoration, then BSOD for today. Tomorrow I will tell about Outlook and VPN, if possible DHCP DNS. Okay. Yeah, take a break, and before break, guys, I will have to take a attendance. Okay.